Hi, it's Chris, and in this video, we're going to be giving you a quick guide on how to clean your range. We'll be cleaning it inside and out, top to bottom. So come on, let's get cleaning. So your range is one of the most commonly used items in your home, every day, multiple times, and it does generate a fair bit of grime and dirt that has to be cleaned. My first step in cleaning my range is going at the cooktop. So cleaning a smooth top, to give it a good cleaning and protecting, you pretty well need to use a commercial product. And in most of those, you can get them in a kit, which will include your cleaning cream and protector, as well as a scraper blade and some form of applicator. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my smooth top. If I see any big heavy chunks that are there, or some baked on stuff, I'm going to take my cream, apply a few drops into that area. I'm going to take my scraper blade, and with a little bit of pressure, I'm going to remove those chunks right off the glass. Once that's done, I'm going to apply cream to the entire glass surface. I'm going to take the applicator, or basically a sponge, and rub down that whole entire glass top and apply that cream everywhere. And then once it's had a chance to dry a little bit, I'm going to take another cloth, microfiber or any type of cloth really, and just buff that off like I was waxing a car. And once I get the residue off, I'm going to let it dry a few more seconds, and then I'm going to go back at it with the cloth again and basically polish it. And now that smooth top is clean and has a protective coating, so anytime you get a spill now, it'll wipe up really, really easy. So now that we got that cooktop looking really good, our next step is going to be going inside and getting that oven clean. So because it's a self-clean, and you can't use a commercial oven cleaner on a self-clean stove for fear of ruining the coating, we're going to use an all-natural cleaner, which is made up of 3/4 cup of baking soda and 1/4 cup of warm water. I'm going to mix that together, and then we'll be applying it to the liner of the oven with a paintbrush. So now we have the oven liner and door liner coated. We just need to let that set overnight, or 12 hours or so, and then we'll just come back and wipe that out. So now we're back. Let's have a look and see how it turned out after setting the 12 hours. So I'll just give the residue a wipe off and see what it looks like underneath. So we're definitely getting the gunk off. We'll give it a wipe down with the dry cloth, and then we'll come back in just with the damp cloth and wipe up the last bit of the residue. Well, that certainly looks a whole lot better. If you can remember what it was like when we started, it was pretty bad. Most ovens don't look that way if they get regular maintenance. But this one's cleaned up and it's ready to go. So now that we got the oven clean, our final step is going to be looking after the exterior. We're going to use a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar, that's white vinegar, and give it a spray, and it will do a beautiful job on not just the stainless steel, but also on the black painted metal. So the range has turned out really well. Certainly is a really significant improvement from where it was. Thanks very much for watching. We hope our guide helps you get your range looking the way you want it. And for more great videos, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.